Let's install Windows 10. So I have a Windows 10 boot media installed on this virtual machine. Gonna go ahead and load it up. Let it boot to the Windows 10 installation media GUI or menu. Now that I am here, I will go ahead and click next. Click install now. Going to wait for it to do its startup steps, and then I will be presented with another screen that's going to ask me for my key. If you have a CD key or product key, you'll go ahead and enter it here. If you don't have one, click I don't have a product key. And that will take you to select the version depending on what type of installation media you have. I have the one from the Microsoft website to create your own installation media. So I'm going to select the Windows 10 Pro installation for x64, since that is what I'm running on and what this runs on. Gonna accept the license and terms. And if you are installing onto a brand new computer, nothing on it, you'll go ahead and click Custom, Install Windows Only, Advanced. You'll have a blank drive. You might have to format it. I'll go ahead and create a new partition on it. And as you can see, we now have our partition with our reserve partition. I'm going to select our big. All right, so now we will go ahead and select what region we're in. Select our keyboard layout. We're going to go ahead and skip this. I'm going to stay disconnected from the internet or else it will bug you for Microsoft credentials in some cases. Continue. We're going to continue with limited setup. And here you will enter in the name that you want to use. So I'm going to type in user. Enter in password of password. Type in password again. And now you should be loaded into your Windows operating system. You can go ahead and connect to the internet if you have your connection ready. Start installing programs, setting up new users. Hope that helps. Hit like, hit subscribe. Thank you.